my friend, how are you? Today we continue talking about 3D printing. But first, like this class. Alright, in the future, businesses will be able to print the real thing themselves. For example, when machines break down, companies will be able to print replacement parts and fix the machines the same day. Productivity will increase because workers won't have to wait for new parts to arrive. Another example is medical equipment. Doctors around the world will be able to simply print the items they need, and medical care will greatly improve. As 3D printers become more affordable, they will completely change shopping as we know. Many scientists imagine an online marketplace where you will shop for designs, then you will be able to print out footwear, jewelry, glasses, and other common objects in the comfort of your own home. You might have a 3D printer at home or work one day. So, what would you print if you had a 3D printer? Do you think you will have a 3D printer at your home 5 years from now? What sector will have an improvement with 3D printing? Would you like to shop online and just print your product? Comment your answers here. Go on our website and do your homework. Thank you very much. I'm Sophia and I see you next class. In this class, I will read an article about smart refrigerators.